Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your MacBook to an external monitor. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get straight into this tutorial. First of all, you need to identify your MacBook's ports. So modern MacBooks feature a Thunderbolt USB-C port, while some MacBook Pro models include the HDMI ports. Check your model to determine your available connections first. Select the USB-C to USB-C for compatible monitors, the USB-C to HDMI adapters for HDMI displays, or direct HDMI cables if that is available. Older monitors may require a mini DisplayPort or a VGA adapter. Connect and power on. This step is pretty simple. Connect the monitor's power cable. You can link the video cable from the monitor to your MacBook using adapters if needed, and then turn on the external display. You can navigate to your Apple menu, system settings, then look for displays to arrange your displays. Choose mirroring or extended desktop mode and adjust the resolution settings. Here's some troubleshooting tips. Ensure that all the cables and adapters are firmly connected. Use the detect displays in system settings if your monitor is not recognized, and then restart your MacBook if your connection issue persists. And the last thing is to update your macOS to the latest version for optimal compatibility.